Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a simple auto hotkey trick that lets you search any selected text on Google with just one keyboard shortcut. For example, I'm working on this document and I want to search this particular text on Google. Normally, I would have to select it, then copy it, open my browser, go to Google, and I paste here, then search. But we can do it all that with just one shortcut. So close this window. So here we'll be using a application named as auto hotkey. Open the auto hotkey. If you are new to auto hotkey, don't worry, in my previous video I showed you how to download, install and use auto hotkey. You can watch that video by clicking the I button above. Once auto hotkey is installed, just follow these simple steps. First, I'll create a new auto hotkey script. So from the auto hotkey dashboard, click on new script. Type here Google search. Then as the empty option is selected, click on create, and here my auto hotkey script file is created. Right click on it and select edit in Notepad. Now paste this command. Copy this command and paste it into the Notepad. This is our shortcut. The first line, this is our shortcut. This means Control plus Shift and Z. When we press this shortcut, the script will activate. And the second command is this: copy whatever text we have selected. And then the third command, and this opens Google and searches for the copied text. And this command is the small delay in between gives the computer enough time to copy the text. Now, after you paste this on your newly created auto hotkey script, then save this script, go to File and select Saved and close it. Once you save this script, then run it by double clicking on this script file. Now see on the system tray. Once you see the auto hotkey icon in the system tray, the shortcut is ready and running in the background. Now let's test it. Now I open the same document. Now I select the text whichever I wanted to search on the Google. After selected the text, I press Ctrl, Shift and Z, and this will open the Google search in my default web browser. As you can see here, Google immediately searches for the selected text. Now again, let's try another example. Let's search this on the Google. So I selected this text and again press Ctrl Shift and Z on my keyboard, and it opens with the text on the Google search instantly. So this is especially useful when you are working in application like Word, Notepad, or other text editor, where you don't have the convenient Google search options that you get in a web browser. Instead of copying the text, opening your browser and pasting it manually, you can simply select it and press one shortcut. So that's how you can search any selected text on Google instantly using a simple auto hotkey shortcut. And if you are new to auto hotkey, don't forget to check out my previous video by clicking the I button above. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.